Preparing properly can make pumping more comfortable and effective. Begin by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Clean hands help protect both you and your baby. Next, check that all pump parts are clean, dry, and assembled correctly. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to ensure proper setup. Using clean equipment helps prevent contamination and keeps milk safe. Choose a comfortable place to sit. Support your back, relax your shoulders, and place your feet flat on the floor if possible. Being physically relaxed can improve milk flow. Many parents find it helpful to create a calming environment. Soft lighting, gentle music, or quiet surroundings can reduce stress. Looking at your baby, watching a video, or holding a piece of your baby's clothing can help stimulate letdown. Applying gentle warmth or massaging your breasts before pumping may also help milk flow. Take slow, deep breaths and give your body time to respond. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the basics step by step, in a calm and supportive way. You don't need to be perfect. Breastfeeding and pumping are skills that improve with practice. If you feel unsure, tired, or overwhelmed, you are not alone. Find a comfortable place to sit, take a slow breath, and remember that this time is about learning and connection. Let's begin by understanding how breastfeeding works.